You've probably heard this 1,000 times. After 60, you need to take it easy or you'll hurt yourself. Light walking, gentle stretching, maybe some chair exercises. That's what's safe for older adults, right? Wrong. This myth is actually making you weaker, more tired, and more fragile with each passing year. Here's what nobody's telling you. Your muscles don't disappear because you're getting older. They disappear because you're not giving them a reason to stay. And when your muscles go, your energy goes with them. Let me explain why this matters more than you think. Your body is incredibly smart. It only keeps what it needs. If you're only doing light, easy movements, your body assumes that's all you'll ever need. So it starts breaking down muscle tissue because, well, why waste energy maintaining something you're not using? This process is called sarcopenia, and it accelerates after 50. But here's the part that'll surprise you. It's almost entirely reversible. Think of your muscles like employees. If you give them easy tasks, they'll get comfortable and stop showing up ready to work. But if you challenge them regularly, they'll get stronger and more efficient. The fatigue you're feeling isn't because you're doing too much, it's because you're doing too little. So what actually builds strength and energy as you age? It comes down to 3 strategies that address the root cause, and they're simpler than you'd expect. First, progressive resistance training. Don't let the fancy name scare you. This just means gradually increasing the challenge your muscles face. You could start with a soup can, move to a light dumbbell, then a heavier one. The key is that it feels somewhat difficult, not painful, but challenging. Research shows that seniors who lift weights 2 to 3 times per week can gain muscle mass just as effectively as younger people. Your muscles don't know how old you are. They only know whether they're being challenged or not. Here's a safe way to start. Pick any movement you do daily. Standing up from a chair, lifting a bag of groceries, reaching overhead. Now make it slightly harder. Hold a water bottle while standing up. Add one more item to the bag. Reach a little higher. That's progressive resistance in action. Second, prioritize protein at every meal. Most seniors aren't eating nearly enough. Your body needs protein to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, especially after 50 when this process slows down naturally. Aim for about 25 to 30 grams per meal. That's a palm-sized portion of chicken, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt. If you're plant-based, beans and lentils work beautifully. Just pair them throughout the day. Here's why this matters for your energy. When you don't eat enough protein, your body breaks down existing muscle for amino acids. That muscle loss translates directly to fatigue and weakness. Feed your muscles properly, and you'll notice your energy rebound within weeks. Third, move explosively, but safely. I'm not talking about CrossFit or jumping jacks. I mean quick, powerful movements done with control. Stand up from a chair a bit faster than usual. Push off the armrests with intention. Walk up a single stair with purpose. These explosive movements activate fast-twitch muscle fibers that are responsible for power and balance. They're also the first ones you lose with age if you don't use them. A simple variation for this? Practice the quick catch. Have someone toss you a light ball from a few feet away. The act of reacting quickly and catching engages those fast-twitch muscle fibers beautifully. Plus, it's actually fun. Now here's what ties this all together. Weakness and fatigue aren't inevitable parts of aging. They're signs that your body needs challenge, fuel, and purpose. Give your muscles a reason to stick around, and they will. If you want a complete roadmap that breaks down exactly how to rebuild strength safely, including specific exercises, weekly schedules, and nutrition guidelines designed for your age, download our Muscle Revival Blueprint for Seniors. It's in the description below. And if you're ready to see what a simple 10-minute daily routine can do for your strength and mobility, the video on your screen shows you exactly how to do it. You'll be amazed how fast you notice results. Last question. What's one physical activity you've avoided because you thought you were too old for it? Drop it in the comments.